Hello everyone. Today we discuss the practical number 4 of software testing. So the title of the practical number 4 is to generate the test cases for railway reservation form. In this practical number 4, basically the railway reservation system which allows the user for make the reservation of the seats. Okay. And this reservation of seats before one can begin their journey. So we have to reserve the seats before we begin the journey, and this system allows the user to choose from various available trains, and based on the user preference one can select and book a train. You cannot change. Okay. If you want to change this reservation, then there are some formalities there. Okay. For generate the test cases of the railway reservation system, first of all we discuss what is the white box testing. In previous practical we discussed the black box testing. So what is meant by black box testing? So in black box testing we only put the input, or only we put the input, and after the process of these inputs we get the output. Okay. And here is the white box testing. We perform to test the programs and internal structure. Okay. In the black box testing we cannot discuss, or we cannot know the internal structure of the program. Only we know the inputs and outputs. Okay. But in white box testing is performed to test the programs for internal structure. In white box testing, the software tester has access to the program code and examine it for to help him with his testing. Okay. White box testing is also called as glass box testing or clear box testing, because we can see the internal structure of the coding, but in black box testing we cannot see the internal structure of the coding. In white box testing we can change this internal structure, or we can, or suppose if we want to change the internal structure, we can change the internal structure. Okay. In black box testing there is opposite. We can't see the internal structure of the coding, and we only put the input and get the output in that. Okay. These are the parameter of these test cases. First of all, test case ID, test case objectives, then prerequisites, steps, input data, expected result, actual result, and the status. Okay. So the first test case is login page. Then prerequisite is open the login page. First of all, we open the prerequisite is we have the internet access to our PC, and there is we open the browser. Okay. And after that we log in the page, that is the reservation page of the railway or the railway reservation. Okay. Then the test case number 2 is the username. Then prerequisite is open the login page. Then steps is provide the valid username in string. Okay. We cannot provide here in number, only we provide here a string. Okay. This is the input data. Input data is username, that is we can put here the username, that is rr@gmail.com. Okay. So the expected result is username should be accepted, actual result is enter username is accepted, and status is pass. If this actual result is equal to the expected result, then status should be pass, otherwise status is fail. Then the next test case is test case. So here is the test case number 3, and the object of test case number 3 is password. Prerequisite is open the login page. Then step is to provide the valid password in numbers. Okay. So password should be in numbers, not the characters. So here the password is equal to 123. Expected result is password should be accepted. the actual result entered password is accepted. If this actual result is equal to the expected result, test case is pass. Then the next test case is TC number 4, that is the login. Prerequisite, they open the login page. Then step is click on the login button. Input data, click event occurs. Then expected result, it should go the railway reservation page. Okay, if you click on the login button, then click event occur, and then page should be go to the next page, that is it should go to the railway reservation page. Okay, then if the actual result is, it is going to the form page. Okay, then status is pass. Then next test case number is 5. The objective of test case number 5 is passenger name. Okay, prerequisite is registration yourself on reservation portal. Then step is enter the first and last name user in alphabet. Okay, the input data is, suppose here is the example of the enter the first and last name of the user, that is first name is Rajni and last name is Patil. Okay, this is only the example. Okay, here we only put the first name and last name in alphabets, not the numbers. Okay, the expected result is passenger name should be accepted. Then actual result is entered passenger name accepted. Okay, then status is pass. Then status number 6 is date of the journey. Okay, so here the prerequisite is registration yourself on reservation portal. Step is enter the actual date of the journey. Okay, in date. So here we put the actual date of the journey. Okay, if then journey, if the current date is, suppose the current date is 2/11/2020, the date should be the next dates. Okay, so the date should be next further days. Okay, so here is the, if the current date is 2/11, then the next day is suppose here is a 11/12 or 2012. Here the actual journey date is put here. Okay, then expected result is date of the journey should be accepted. Then actual result is enter journey date accepted and status pass. Okay, here we put not the current date or the previous date, only put the next date of the current date. Okay, so the next test case is TC number 6. Test objective is return date from the journey. Okay, here we put the return date of the journey. Okay, prerequisite is registration yourself on the reservation portal. Step is enter the return date from the journey in date. Okay, so here we put in date format, that is here the 31/12, that is 31 December 2020. Expected result is return date from journey should be accepted. Actual result is entered return date accepted. Status is pass. Okay, here we put the next date of the reservation date. Okay, then the next test case is test case number 7, and the TC objective is destination. Prerequisite is registration yourself on the reservation portal. Step enter the destination name in alphabet. Here we put the destination name in alphabet. Input data is Pune, and the expected result is destination name should be accepted. Actual result is enter the destination name accepted and status is pass. Okay, so here we put the destination name. Okay, then we check the destination name is accepted or not. If this destination name is accepted, then status is pass. Okay, here we discuss the what is meant by the white box testing. So the in white box testing is the open box or the glass box testing, or it is a clear box testing. Okay, we know the internal structure about the coding. Okay, in white box testing, tester should be change the coding, or if the error is occur, then tester is removing the error. Okay, so in white box testing, tester should be knowledge about the coding or the program. Okay, but in black box testing, they should not the knowledge of not required to knowledge of the coding in black box. Okay, here is the white box. There is tester should require the knowledge about the programming or coding. Okay, so here is the reservation test case for the railway reservation form, and you have to add the test cases in that. Okay, that is TC number 7. Here is a test case is add, that is submit or cancel. If the test case objective is the submit, then prerequisite is reservation yourself on the reservation portal. Registration yourself on reservation portal. Then step is enter, click on the submit button. Okay, input data is click event occur. Then expected result is go to the next page. Actual result is if go to the next page, then status is pass. That the cancel button, that is here the TC objective is cancel button. Then prerequisite is registration yourself on reservation portal. Steps is click on the cancel button. Okay, his click event occur, his input data and click event occur. Then expected result is page should be this is the reservation portal remain on the same page. Okay, if this remain on the same page, then status is pass always, otherwise status is fail. Okay, thank you so much. If any doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you.